night, you suck pussy Prettiidon. Wanna tap mix up my name? I'm gonna suck out to the mama.
My Prettiidon then try frame you one time.
Yeah, Nicki Minaj money, big pussy girl you want. She says she not get it. So she give up.
Yes.
And Nicki Minaj money, big pussy girl you want.
Nicki did the live.
Hey, girl.
In the live and in the cuss off. How is it in the cuss off Destiny? For Nicki. Through Destiny about him and a class Destiny and Nicki said, leave Destiny alone. You
Pussy them bad man me for Nicki money.
You shame so too.
They don't fit me no one then call me name, bro. They don't fit call me name, bro. Cause me not trouble none of them, bro. Me not going to them way, bro. Cause me not smart if they ramping. Me kill them. Oh. Suck out to the mother on top follow me. Batty boy. Hey,
one through the badness, pressure tank, everybody big up.
And dirty self-fuck Shay. They call up my name. Dirty self-fuck Shay. We self-fuck like a dog.
Wait, me tell you something here, Shay call your name.
The fuck her call my name. If him, she don't say a real log. Tell her argument. She tell me that she said on the live, say real log, tell her say this and that. And that she says the real log.
Me tell you say real log, I want you come real log come like one girl. Instead of and chat every man, every woman. Me don't know how woman fuck real dog.
Me not argue with Shay no, cause in cousin dead up a mountain view and he can't knock about it and my friend them killing cousin. And my friend them, Shay, me tell this if you don't know this. You see your cousin were dead at Mountain View. Shay, I'm on a scream record this. Shay, you see your cousin were dead at Mountain View. And my dog them kill him. You realize I time when they argue with me in dead. So defend that and then me can argue. Otherwise friend that me not argue with a big pussy girl. Go and go defend a dead cause ask anybody who live at Mountain View. In cause the dead like a dog. And the dog them call me and say no, say dead. Ask anybody who live at Mountain View. Then can tell you. Say in cause the dead like a dog. In cause the dead. Ask anybody live at Mountain View. People like me I tell. Oh no Shay family from in have one cause they were dead couple months ago.
Where
Eh?
they come from?
Go and go defend your cousin and go suck your mama, you can't argue with me. Big pussy girl. Me not argue with you because your cousin dead, you can't defend. That's for your mouth, girl. You make your cousin dead because of your mouth. And if you go and call up my name, one more of them I go dead. Oh. Suck your mama, girl. Bad this lady. I'm in the bad news. Then what's enough ramping me because me not no ambition. Me dead already. Me can't dead anytime. Me busy about people. Anytime me there, so me can't dead. So me not busy about them. And me I kill some of them before me dead. But suck your mama Shay no call me name. Me think me I look no come back off no. Eh? When think me a hungry pussy. Suck your mother no call me name. Oh. Don't call me name. When you don't call me name in a stinking mouth. Don't call me name. When you do not call me name. Go suck out to the mama no call me name. Leave me name out on the mouth because I'm a drunker. I'm a low life. Oh. Don't call me name because I'm a drunker. I'm a low life. And it's here when you done. Oh. IVANY, what a funny nice. Look off that nice, no man. What I got, sir?
Which funny nice?
Take off that, take off the background. They make your nice sound back.
Yeah.
Actually, look a trip, man. Me have to switch your voice so when it's screen record goes.
No. You have to make them know. You have to tell them your mind because they not talk fuck with you.
They hear my voice tonight.
Suck out to the mother. Yeah, meet the back. Look at suck pussy boy on the top text set for me. Suck pussy real lag.
Blamdem look for my pasta. So you know say my cheese not good and I can't eat my pasta.
What do you eat?
Pasta night.
Eh?
Me don't know like my cheese in the fridge too long, so it's when me take out one next cheese, it smells sour. Me I say what is my taste one night is sour. My cheese never good. Me I forgot that should
the paper I thought alright. So where mean the cheese sour?
The cheese sour.
Big up,
the yellow cheese.
No shoot pan the triple.
So no me triple chat, no me I forgot eat. Me I cook rice and bully beef.
No shoot pan the triple chat.
Give the dog.
You know, say people them love you for Creole.
I'm say Uber eats cheese when me don't put the cheese in it already and it will like so. Man, tapping eyes in our place, man.
Sometimes I have to tell them, man, IVANY, because they get out of hand, bro. This little batty boy on the top follow me up. This is funny, the little batty boy roll out. You want me tell you something with them pussy up on TikTok. Roll out, we do people things. People not to do.
I don't want to do anything.
No, you know, tell little batty boy. Remember last year, when the batty boy post up my mother picture, and then when we post up the address in my ball. You remember last year? Post up my mother picture, and then we post up back the address in my ball. I saw the batty boy and love play victim when people do him things. When you see man him shot him and kill him friend. I him trouble him man them, you know.
And after this people on TikTok, he come and text me in an Instagram message. Me just block him. After me block him, me see him come live for me
Let me tell
like
you
the black
something. I him trouble him man them, you know. That's why not come out tight, you know. Him see man him and him man bat him and Joe. And the fire shot pan him man them and the bad up he said. And the man him shot him in blood clot. And not come out tight because self-defense. The boy is a troublemaker.
You know, see the family did a cuss word that say I'm
Him
causing.
time man go make him man dead. And he no want to do nothing about it. And the man never kill him bumbuckler family and can't do nothing about it. In that.
After a couple weeks, he come back on TikTok a bit.
I beg. What's up,
That's why the family go live and I say in heart cold and he must say, "Why you want me to go in a depression? Your friend just dead and 2 weeks then you come on live a bit." Sorry for the dog again, you're a wicked boy.
You suck him and I'm making choke on him. I'm making beer and ration, I drunk that blood clot. Oh.
You give a fuck. Your whole generation. You go like a y'all alone can buy a house and carry a foreign. Everybody knows if for your credit good, you get anything in America.
Yes, yeah, you know, from world like us. From world like get lock up squash guard jail. He inform pan squash, that's why I 6 them done with him. In cast squash them to feds. That's why I say 6 them done with him.
I make squash get lock up.
I mean, in tell the police them for squash I done for 6 gang. And that in tell the feds. In tell the feds say squash I done for 6 gang, and that's why they don't like him. That's why they done with him. I tell them say, so that's why squash them now deal with him and squash friend them. Look, you see Grim YG them a par with him and kills them, they not par with him. Grim YG, if him are the real 6, you don't see.
Oh, remember Grim YG.
You see Grim YG them not par with him. Grim YG them not par with him because they say I'm an informer. You see Malidan not par with him, Salky not par with him, Byron not par with him, none of them not par.
When to get banana? Why they know if you take down Blamdem though? Yeah, chip out and delete the live before you appeal.